Welcome to Cognitive Kids. Hello kids. Hand waving. Welcome to our learning fun. Today, we're going to learn some opposite words. Let's begin. Happy, sad.
Happy, sad.
Open, close.
Open, close.
Full, empty.
Full, empty.
Clean, dirty.
Clean, dirty.
Hot, cold.
Hot, cold.
Tall, short.
Tall, short.
Fast, slow.
Fast, slow.
Up, down.
Up, down.
Day, night.
Day, night.
Big, small.
Big, small.
In, out.
In, out.
Heavy, light.
Heavy, light.
Young, old.
Young, old.
New, old.
New, old.
Laugh, cry.
Laugh, cry.
Healthy, and sick.
Healthy and sick.
Straight, and curly.
Straight and curly.
Sweet, and bitter.
Sweet and bitter.
Safe, and dangerous.
Safe and dangerous.
Alive, and dead.
Alive and dead.
Push, and pull.
Push and pull.
Brave, and scared.
Brave and scared.
Rich, and poor.
Rich and poor.
Please like, share, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon for more updates.